Is you're doing it here instead of letting your body like, yeah. Boom. Huh. I feel like you're letting your arms go off the ground too quick too. Kip into a bridge once. Because even right there, you're not using this. So I want you to think like pretend that there's somebody sitting right here and you have to try to get your legs up and over them. Because I feel like you're, yep, so you want to think like if we were to slow-mo your body, there should be that moment where it kind of like whips. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, so it like almost body rolls a little bit. Boom, now whip, up and over, up and over. That was a little better. She's like really close to getting it, but she's just very...
Taylor, right now I'm just thinking about pushing into a bridge.
That's what we were doing, and I said even when she does that, she doesn't arch up and over.
Push. Yep, one more time. Think about putting weight in your hands and then like pushing with your hands to get your elbows up straight right away. Like you're here and then push. Okay, so right. Because the arms are the thing that's gonna get you up.
Yep, and that's what you're not using them. Boom, now push, push, yeah. It's just learning how to, when to push and when to use it. And I think what you're doing is like, okay, when I'm watching you versus Annie doing it, it's so hard when I like can't like do it to like, you have to do it to be able to say it. But what you're doing versus Annie is when you're going from your back, like from your candlestick position and forward, you're throwing all of your weight into your legs. And she like, do it again. Like she's going from here, she's leaving her weight in her upper body. Yeah, and you're like shifting your weight into your feet. Do it again fast, Annie ones. But like watch her, she's gonna keep her weight, boom, that way. Boom, and she stays over that way.
Okay, so like her upper body, yeah, doesn't even like move.
Yeah.
Goes up.
It's all about the arms.
It's all about the arms. Boom, push up there, that was better, that was better. Mm-hmm.
It's like, you know, like in a prep, like you have that and count before you go, have that and count. Like when I go back, I create even more like get small, and you push everything at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Like bend those knees a little bit too, like bend a little bit, bend and then push.
Shoot.
Yeah, you have to just push more with the arms.
This is so mad.
Keep working on it, you're really close.